Welcome to English Listening Channel.
Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to look at a conversation at a clothing store. In this video, you will follow a simple and practical story between two friends and the store staff. Don't worry, I will speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy the story. Before we start, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully to find the answer. This will help you understand English more deeply. So here is today's question. What was the tiny pocket on jeans first made for? The answer is mentioned in the conversation. If you find the answer, please write it in the comments section. By writing your answer in English, you can improve your English skills even more effectively. All right, let's start the video. Are you ready? Okay, let's begin.
Look at my jeans, Ellie. There is a big hole here, near my knee.
Oh no, that hole is really big. These jeans are very old, Sam.
I know, but I love them. They are my favorite jeans.
They were your favorite jeans. Now you need new clothes.
Just one cloth? I only want one pair of jeans.
No, we do not say one cloth. Clothes is a special word.
Really? So I cannot say one cloth?
No, if you want to say one thing, you say a piece of clothing or an item.
A piece of clothing. Okay, I will try to remember that.
English is funny sometimes. Clothes always has an S at the end.
So I cannot count clothes like 1, 2, 3?
No, you count items or pieces, like 3 items of clothing.
All right, let's go inside. This store is very big.
Yes, it is. Look at the map on the wall. It shows us where to go.
Good idea. Let me read it. Men's is on the left side.
And women's is on the right side. That is my part of the store.
I see sale at the back. There are red signs everywhere back there.
The sale section is always fun. We can look there later.
First, I need jeans, so I will go to the men's section.
Perfect. The jeans are over there near the front. Let's start there.
Do you want to look at shirts too?
Maybe. I want a new shirt for work, but let's help you first.
Thank you. I really need new jeans today. These are too old now.
Then let's find you a nice new pair. Come on, this way.
Excuse me, can you help me? I am looking for new jeans.
Of course. Welcome. What size do you need?
I am not sure. How do I know my size?
Jeans have 2 numbers. One is the waist and one is the length.
The waist and the length. Okay. Where can I see the numbers?
Look here on this small tag. It says W32, L30.
W32, L30. How do I read that?
You say waist 32, length 30. The W is for waist, the L is for length.
Waist 32, length 30. I think that is my size.
Good. Now, what fit do you like? We have slim, regular, and loose.
What is the difference?
Slim is tight on your legs. Regular's normal. Loose is big and comfortable.
I like regular. Not too tight, not too big.
Regular is very popular. What color do you want? Blue, black, or gray?
Blue, please. Classic blue jeans are the best.
Here is a nice blue pair. This is soft, strong denim.
Denim. That is a funny word. Where does it come from?
It comes from a city in France called Nimes. Denims means from Nimes.
Really? I thought jeans were American.
Many people think that, but the word jeans comes from Genoa, a city in Italy.
Wow, France and Italy. I learned something new today.
Yes. Now try these jeans. Oh, and look at this tiny pocket here.
This little pocket. It is so small. What is this tiny pocket for?
Good question. People ask me that all the time.
My phone cannot fit. My hand cannot fit. It is a mystery.
I have a fun answer for that pocket, but first, please try the jeans.
All right, I will find my friend Ellie and the fitting room.
Excuse me, I am looking for a shirt for work. Can you help me?
Yes, of course. What kind of shirt do you want?
Something simple, a nice color and soft to wear all day.
We have many shirts here. Do you like cotton or polyester?
What is the difference between them?
Cotton is natural and very soft. Polyester is cheaper and dries fast.
I like cotton. It feels nice on the skin.
Good choice. Cotton is great for work. Here is a white cotton shirt.
It is nice, but do you have this in blue?
Let me check. Yes, we have it in blue and green too.
The blue one, please. Blue is my favorite color.
Here you are. What size do you wear?
I am usually a medium, but I'm not sure about this store.
That is smart thinking. Sizes are different in every country.
Really? A medium is not always the same?
No, a medium in one country can be a large in another country.
Oh, that is hard to understand. So what should I do?
Please try it on. That is the only safe way to know.
You're right. I will try the medium first.
If it is too small, I will bring you a large, no problem.
Thank you. This shirt looks really soft.
It is 100% cotton, very good quality.
Perfect. I will take it to the fitting room with me.
Great. The fitting rooms are over there, next to the mirrors.
Thank you so much for your help.
You are welcome. Have a nice day and enjoy your shopping.
I will. My friend is trying on jeans right now.
Ellie, there you are. I want to try these jeans on.
Great. The fitting rooms are right here. But wait, read this sign.
What does it say?
It says you can take only 6 items inside. Here, take this tag.
A tag? Why do I need a tag?
The tag shows how many items you have. You give it back when you leave.
Oh, I see. I only have one pair of jeans, so it is easy.
Yes, go and try them on. I will wait right here.
Okay, give me 1 minute.
How do they feel?
They are too tight. I cannot close the button.
Too tight? Then you need a bigger size.
Yes, can you find a bigger size for me?
Sure. What size are these?
These are waist 32. Maybe I need 34.
Okay, I will ask Rosa for a 34. Wait here.
Thank you. Oh, and look at this again.
Look at what?
This tiny pocket. It is still a mystery to me. My phone cannot fit.
You're still thinking about that little pocket?
Yes, it is too small for a phone, too small for keys. Why is it here?
Well, I really don't know. Maybe it's just for looks.
No, I think it has a reason. Every pocket has a reason.
Well, we can ask someone later. Now, try the bigger size.
Here is the 34. Oh, this feels much better.
Can you close the button now?
Yes, easily. These fit great. Not too tight, not too loose.
Perfect. Then those are the jeans for you.
I will change back into my old jeans and buy these new ones.
Good. Don't forget to give the tag back at the door.
Sam, before we pay, let's look at the sale rack. Come on.
Okay. These signs say sale and 30% off. What does that mean?
30% off means the price is 30% lower than before.
So it is cheaper. That is good. And what is clearance?
Clearance means the store wants to sell everything fast. Those prices are the lowest.
I like the sound of that. Cheap is good.
Look at the price tag. This one shows the old price and the new price.
The old price was $40. The new price is only $25.
Yes, so you save $15. Always read the price tag carefully.
Good advice. Oh, look at this. You found something.
I found a nice hoodie. It is soft and warm, and it is on sale.
The color is great. How much is it?
The tag says $20. That is a very good price.
Wait, look at the small tag inside. What are these little pictures?
This is the care label. It tells you how to wash the clothing.
Care label? What do the little pictures mean?
Look at these little pictures. This one means hand wash only.
Hand wash only. So I cannot use a machine for it?
For this hoodie, no. You must wash it by hand with your own hands.
That is a lot of work. Are these symbols the same everywhere?
Yes, that is the nice part. These symbols are almost the same in every country.
Really? So I can read a tag in any country?
Almost. A little tub means washing, a triangle means bleach, a square means drying.
That is very useful. I never looked at these tags before.
Now you know. Okay, I will buy this hoodie. Let's go pay.
Hi again, Rosa. We are ready to pay now.
Wonderful. Let me see your items. 1 pair of jeans, 1 shirt, and 1 hoodie.
Yes, that is everything for today. My friend Ellie is buying the shirt and the hoodie.
Okay, that'll be $55.50 for all 3.
Here is $60. We will pay together.
Thank you. Here is your change, $4.50.
Thank you. Can I have a receipt, please?
Of course. Here is your receipt. Please keep it safe.
Why should I keep it?
If you want to return something, you need the receipt.
Good to know. Can I return this if it does not fit at home?
Yes. With your receipt, you can return it within 30 days.
30 days? That is a long time. Very kind.
We want happy customers. Do you want a bag for your clothes?
Yes, please. Can I get a bag?
Sure. The bag is 10 cents. Is that okay?
10 cents is fine. Here you are.
Thank you. Here is your bag with your new clothes inside.
Rosa, one more question. Do you remember the tiny pocket?
Yes, the little mystery pocket. I know the answer.
Please tell me, what was that tiny pocket first made for?
It was made for a watch. Long ago, people carried small pocket watches.
A watch. So they put their watch in that little pocket?
Yes, we call it the watch pocket. It kept the watch safe.
That is amazing. I never thought of that.
Now, people do not carry pocket watches, so many people put coins in it.
Coins. What a great idea. Thank you for solving my mystery.
You're welcome. Enjoy your new jeans and your new watch pocket.
That was a good trip. You got new jeans, and I got a nice shirt and a hoodie.
Yes, and I learned so many new words today.
Really? Tell me some of them.
I learned waist and length for jean sizes.
Good, and you learned about fit too. Slim, regular, and loose.
Right, and denim comes from France, from a city called Nimes.
I did not know that either. That was interesting.
I also learned cotton and polyester from Max.
And you learned that a medium is not the same size in every country.
So you should always try it on. That is the safe way.
Exactly. What else did we learn?
At the sale rack, I learned 30% off and clearance.
And the care symbols on the tags, hand wash and machine wash.
Yes, and at the checkout, I learned receipt and return.
You can return anything within 30 days. Just keep your receipt.
And best of all, I learned about the watch pocket.
The famous tiny pocket. So it was for a watch pocket?
Yes, but I do not have a watch pocket.
So what will you put in it? It is too small for a phone.
Watch this. The bag was 10 cents, so I put my change in my new watch pocket.
You are putting coins in the watch pocket right now?
Yes, now the little pocket has a job again. It holds my coins.
That is perfect. A watch pocket for a man with no watch.
Exactly. Old jeans, new jeans, but the same funny little pocket.
Let's go home. I want to try my new shirt with my hoodie.
Good plan, and I will wear my new jeans tomorrow.
With coins in the watch pocket.
Of course. Always coins in the watch pocket now.
How was it? I hope this video helped you improve your English. Now, let me ask the question from the beginning one more time. What was the tiny pocket on jeans first made for? The answer was mentioned in the video. Did you find it? If you did, please write your answer in the comments section. By practicing English output like this, you can improve your English skills more efficiently. On this channel, I share stories in slow and easy English with small but useful tips to help you learn. I will keep uploading videos like this, so if you enjoyed it, please subscribe to the channel. And please don't forget to like the video and leave a comment. I also offer channel memberships. If you enjoyed this video, please consider joining as a member. All right, that's all for today. I hope to see you in the next video. See you next time. Bye.